Have you ever wondered what lenders see when they check your financial history? That invisible file that can determine whether you qualify for a mortgage, car loan, or even a credit card. It's called a credit report, and one of the major players in this game is Transunion. Today, we're diving deep into how to access your Transunion credit report. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about why this even matters. Your credit report is like a financial report card. It's a detailed record of your borrowing and repayment history. Lenders use it to assess your creditworthiness, basically, how likely you are to pay back what you borrow. A good credit report can open doors to better interest rates and loan terms, while a bad one can limit your options and cost you money. So, how do you get your hands on this crucial document? Well, there are a few ways to access your Transunion credit report. The first and most straightforward method is through annualcreditreport.com. This is a government-mandated website where you can get a free credit report from all three major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and yes, Transunion. You're entitled to one free report from each bureau every 12 months. But wait, there's more. As of recently, you can actually get a free credit report from each bureau weekly. That's right, you can check your credit score and report 7 times a year. This is a game changer for monitoring your credit health and catching any potential issues early on. Now, while annualcreditreport.com is your go-to for free reports, it doesn't provide a credit score. If you want to see your Transunion credit score, you'll need to consider other options. Many credit card companies, banks, and financial services offer credit monitoring services that include credit scores. Some of these services might even provide access to your Transunion credit report. It's important to note that while you can get your credit score from various sources, the scoring model used can vary. So, don't be surprised if your credit score differs slightly between providers. Another option to consider is directly contacting Transunion. They offer various services, including credit monitoring and dispute resolution. You can visit their website or give them a call to explore your options. Once you have your Transunion credit report in hand, it's time to dissect it. Understanding what's on your report is crucial for managing your credit effectively. We'll cover that in detail in our next video, so stay tuned. But for now, remember, accessing your credit report is the first step to taking control of your financial future. Regular monitoring can help you spot errors, identify potential fraud, and make informed decisions about your credit. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.